Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to walk you through the Bybit Referral Program tutorial. So we'll be covering up on how do you use this Bybit Referral referral program. So what you're going to do is firstly open up Bybit and log into your Bybit account. You need to have your account so that you can so that you can take part in these tutorial programs. So create your account, and then once you have created your account, so you're gonna go to your profile here. So once you have logged in, and you'll see an option called referral program. Click on it. So when you click on this referral program, you'll get to this program here. So this is simply just an incentive program where if you invite friends, and if they use your referral, and if they join Bybit and start trading, then you will be getting commissions, trading commissions, as well as rewards up to 1000 USDT as rewards, so which you can use for your which can be applied on your account. So to get all these, what you have to do is simply once you've already logged into your account, so you're going to join the referral program. So once you join the referral program, you will be given a code here, a referral code. So you can share that code with any of your friends, and if they use that code and then register for Bybit and start trading with Bybit, then they will be eligible for these commissions, as well as your friends as well as you will be able to be eligible for multiple rewards like Bybit card, trading commissions, and other rewards as well, which will be applied to your account once they successfully trade, once they started successfully trading. All right, so that's actually pretty much basically what it is when you say Bybit referral program. So once you're ready for it, so all you have to do is just scroll. When you're on this page here, just scroll down all the way down, and you will see these joining link here. So just click on start earning now, and you will be prompted with the joining page where you can join the program and get your referral code, which you can use to share with others. So that's pretty much it. Hope this information was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.